How to fix Netflix not working on LG Smart TV. If you're experiencing issues with the Netflix app crashing, freezing, not opening, or giving an error message, these issues can be resolved by following a few troubleshooting steps. Let's see in detail here how to fix LG Smart TV Netflix not working issue in detail here. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your router and TV for 30 seconds, then plug them back in, the router first and the TV second. Allow the router's reboot process 1 to 2 minutes to be complete. Verify your TV is connected to the internet. Update LG Smart TV to latest firmware version. If you are running older or outdated LG Smart TV WebOS and Netflix app is not compatible with current LG WebOS, then Netflix apps won't work and you need to update LG Smart TV to latest version. For WebOS 5.0 and higher, go to Settings and then go to All Settings and select Support. Click on Software Update and wait for LG TV to update to latest software version. For WebOS 3.0 and higher, go to Settings and select All Settings and select General. Click on About this TV and select Check for Updates and update LG TV to latest version. Uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app. Press Home button on LG Smart TV remote and from home screen select Netflix app and then press and hold middle OK button to go to edit mode. Now, a cross mark will appear above the app and then select cross mark X and confirm in pop-up box and Netflix app will be deleted and uninstalled from your LG Smart TV. Now, go to LG Content Store and search for Netflix app and install Netflix app on LG TV. Clear Netflix cache on LG Smart TV. Deleting or clearing Netflix app cache can fix Netflix app not working issue and you need to clear browsing data and clear LG TV cache. Factory reset and restore to default settings. Factory resetting LG Smart TV will erase all data, including apps, user data and restore back to its default settings like a new LG Smart TV. For WebOS 6.0 or newer, go to Settings, and then All Settings, General, System, Reset TO Initial Settings. For WebOS 5.0, go to Settings, All Settings, Support, Reset to Initial Settings. For WebOS 4.5 to 1.0, go to Settings, All Settings, and select General, Reset to Initial Settings. That's it, this is how you fix Netflix app not working issue. Thanks for watching. For more,